Okay, we're ready to take a look at some of our results and finish test tube number 4. So as we take a look at these, I can see that I do not have any yellow in test tube number 1. I do not have any yellow in test tube number 2. However, I have a very strong yellow coloration in test tube number 3. Just as a quick reminder, we want to think about what is in each tube. We know that in tube number 1, we have the enzyme, but we are missing the substrate. In test tube number 2, we have the substrate, but we are missing the enzyme. In test tube number 3, we have both of them. Now, test tube number 4 also is showing as clear right now. We have yet to add the substrate to this, so I'm going to add the 5 drops of pyrogalol to test tube number 4. And I'm going to give that a little shake, allow that to sit for just a second. Now, of course, earlier we did add the PTU, our inhibitor, to this, and I'm not currently seeing any yellow. We'll come back and take a look at this when we take a look at test tube number 5. Okay, so we're back to take a look at our results again. We notice here that in test tube number 4, it still basically doesn't have much of a reaction. The interesting thing is we may see a slight tinge of yellow because we do expect that some reaction can occur. The neat thing about inhibitors is if they are a competitive inhibitor, they're kind of going in and out of the active site of the enzyme. And we also expect that sometimes reactions will take place over time even without an enzyme. The enzyme, of course, is going to speed up a reaction or make it possible at temperatures that it otherwise would not occur at. So I need to add 5 drops of pyrogalol to test tube number 5. We heated that up for 10 minutes and we've cooled it down. I'll add those 5 drops in here. And we're going to be looking, we should be seeing some kind of result relatively quickly if our enzyme is working. And as I shake that up and I'm looking for some yellow color, I am seeing no yellow.